Okay, so starting with switch one, uh, see switch one. So again, host name, and as I said, I'll be using the VLAN 10. The IP address will be 201. The interface connecting the router will be an access interface, and so I'm using switch port host. And this is going to enable spanning tree port first on this interface, and I'm assigning the VLAN 10 to this interface, and the interface is connecting switch 2 and switch 3. I'll be configuring them as a trunk interface, and I'm only allowing VLAN 10. Okay, and I'm configuring as well NTP, the username, and SSH, just like I did for the router. And spanning tree mode, I'll be using a rapid spanning tree, and switch 1 will be my root bridge. Okay, and I'm setting these manually. So the other switches will be a similar configuration. VLAN 10, the interface facing for switch 2, the interface is facing the end users. They will be assigned on VLAN 10 as well. You can see here. And the interface connecting switch 1 is going to be a trunk interface, and probably it's not here. Okay, so let me add this. So that should be 02. Let me just get, because I want to get the same description. That should, no, that's the one that I want, because this is 00 and 01. And let me add this here. 00, and it's going to connect to switch 01 on port 01. It is a trunk port, and I'm allowing VLAN 10 .1q, and that's it. So 01 is end user, 02 as well, NTP, SSH, and spanning tree. That's okay. And let me check switch 3. Switch 3, it's missing as well. So this is going to be switch 01. That's going to be 0 0. So no, this is, oh yes, 02. That's going to be 02 encapsulation.1q trunk, and my 01 should connect to AD server, and 02 should be ICE. Yeah, NTP and SSH entry default. Yep, everything looks okay. Let's copy this, and yeah, and switch 1. Okay, everything looks okay. Spring mode done. Now switch to same thing. And let me get the STP part. Copy. No, for switch 3. Okay, let me see if I can reach 1065, 74, and 254. That's the router. Okay, 202. That's switch 2. Okay, and that's switch 3. Okay, if that's working now, 204. That's AD. It's working. Okay, so far so good. Now I have switches and AD reachable. So now what I want to do is to configure eyes and see if configure eyes, and then I'm going to join the Active Directory to eyes. Okay, so let's proceed with the next one.